Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's very important video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove Yahoo search from Google Chrome. So let's get started. So when you open your Google Chrome, or let's say if you don't see any at the desktop screen, you can simply search for Google Chrome here at the bottom search bar and then go for the best match. Click double tap to open. And then once you are being redirected to your Google Chrome, so let's say, for example, we search for Instagram. Okay, click enter to continue. So the moment you search for Instagram, the Yahoo search engine is active. It has this at the top, at the right top of my screen, and I can see it also at the left side of my screen. So there is no particular settings here where we can choose the default engine that we want to. So in order to remove the Yahoo search engine, we will perform easy steps. First is you need to locate the three dots here at the upper right side of your screen. Click that and then go for settings. Once you open your settings, go to the left side of it and go for search engine next to appearance. Okay? Here, under the search engine, you can see here Yahoo Philippines. Aligning this is this change option. Just simply click that, and here these search engines are popular in your region. Just have to choose whatever search engine that you want. For example, we want Google to be our default engine, then just click that to activate and then set as default. Okay? So once done, the Yahoo search engine is removed. Okay? So another step is you can go to your own startup. Here, if in your case, open the new tab is on, go for the three options. Open a new specific page or set of pages, then go to add a new page. Here, you can manually add page that you want to be in your homepage. And might as well, this will be your search engine also. So the moment you click on add, Google Google.com, Google.com will be activated. Okay? So those are the easy steps on how to remove Yahoo search engine in Google Chrome. Hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated into our more video tutorials. Thank you for watching this video and take care.